Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Godzilla and Mr. Beast as one character. So let's jump right into the lesson. Okay, let's go over how to draw a Godzilla mix with Mr. Beast. All right, let's do it. First thing I do right here is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line right here for the brow area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go over here, curve, back, curve out. Okay. And that's going to be going into Mr. Beast's hairdo. Pulling out over here, down. Pulling down here a bit for the side right here. This is going to be kind of the eyes where they're going to be. So I'm going to go on this side. I'm going to pull out. Curve over here and keep going over here on this side, out over here and down to kind of get that Mr. Beast hairdo. But yeah, by the way, if you have any mixture ideas, let me know. I'm always taking, suggestions. Put it in the comment section. Right here we're going to throw a line, smaller, thinner lines in the same flow as the way the hair is going, right? That was like the hair's pretty, cartoony as well. Gonna go over here now, out for one eye, top of one eye, out over here, down over here, curve back, and curve back over here. We're gonna leave it kind of open, I think, for now, because I want it to look more like Godzilla, and Godzilla has like totally white eyes when he's like shooting his atomic breath, but I might do that for more of an effect. Out over here, down, kind of that snout area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a little bit of a curve back for that mustache area, out over here, up, and then kind of two bumps at the top. So he's going to have the snout coming forward, right, like Godzilla, but he's going to have that mustache right there. Curve line back, kind of a smile, because Mr. Beast is always smiling. Line underneath for the bag into the eyes. And now I'm going to go over here on this side and I'm going to put some teeth, some Godzilla teeth sticking down, although his mouth is not going to be open. Line right here. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cough left over from a cold. Sorry, guys. And I'm going to pull down here for the bottom of the mouth. Back, lower jaw right there. And curve around this side. Alright. Hair down here, where that ends. And line back. Right there, we're going to go down his neck. So his neck is getting bigger as it goes downward, as it spreads outward. It's a pretty big thing. Okay. Out over here, down. Out over here, down. It's gonna be like Godzilla's, general body. I thought about putting a T-shirt on him, but I'm gonna have just like a regular, Godzilla style body. So curve down over here for the kind of tricep area. Line over here for the top of his arm. Over here, thinking of his arms like tubes. That's a very big thing to do. If you want to, in its simplest form, arms are like tubes, right? And down over here for the body, right? It's going to kind of lead downward. We're not going to see it's going to vignette outward over here as well. And line over here, thumb, finger, think of the fingers like French fries, and back up. Over here now, you're always thinking about the thumb, the opposing thumb, right? The line over here, and this is the back of the hand on that side. So let's get into more specifics, by the way. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like the way I'm combining this so far. I want to throw a spike over here, right, which is just a simple triangle, but with because of the angle with everything else, it's going to overlap. It's going to be behind it a little bit. So this is a little bit of a bigger mountain right there. It's almost like he has literally a giant mountain in his back. It gets bigger. And over here. Down over here. Down over here. You can throw maybe one more down there if you want. But that kind of gets the impression across right there pretty well. Let's go into the snake belly of the Godzilla part of him at least. So line right here. Line right here. The front. And you have these ridges, right? Some versions of Godzilla have this kind of ridged stomach area as a you know, you see that a lot in nature, right? It's just there's a difference between the front and the back. Sorry, the marker smells. Be careful, guys, when you use this. This is a really big thing. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, if you like these kinds of mixtures, these fun mixtures, because I think they're super fun. And don't forget to share the video if you can. Sharing the video really does a lot. It's totally free to do, and it helps the channel out incredibly. Line here. Now the rest of them is going to be just texture along the skin, or you can do this, like maybe we can make them a little more angry there, a little. But we can do curve, 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 like these little C curves. Sprinkle them around where it would be, you know, more scaly. And this is called indication. We're not putting them 100% all over his body. We're just kind of putting him, you know, in different areas so that it, you know, the human brain will fill in the rest. They'll be like, oh yeah, well, you know, like I understand what that is. Like, you know, that's pretty much all you want. Everything is a message to the viewer, right? That's something you want to remember. Everything is a message to the viewer. By the way, I hope you like this mixture. I hope you had a fun time at least watching this. If you're still here, you're amazing. You're one of the cool ones, I hope. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for joining me. If you can always keep adding little like lines right here, thin lines into the hair if you'd like, or you can always kind of keep adding, you know, little scales or something like that. But all right, if you want, you can add a little. Let's add a little eyebrow thing on top, just a little bit. Right there. He's got some just to show him. Yeah, but he's got like a mean thing, but again, Mr. Beast is not mean. So anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Stay around with me. Let's do another drawing lesson together, okay? Let's stick around and do another one together. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.